In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp Docs, a powerful feature that lets you create documents, wikis, and the knowledge bases right inside your ClickUp workspace. Whether you're writing project briefs, creating SOPs, or collaborating with your team on meeting notes, ClickUp Docs makes it incredibly easy to keep everything organized in one place. This is a must-know feature for anyone using ClickUp for project management or team collaboration. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see your workspace dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice the navigation panel. This is where all your spaces, folders, and lists are organized. Click on the Spaces section in the left panel. This will display all the spaces you have access to in your workspace. Spaces are the top-level containers in ClickUp, where you organize different teams, departments, or projects. Next, choose the space where you want to create your document. Click on that space to expand it and view the folders and lists inside. Once you've selected your space, look for the folder where you want to add your doc. Folders help you organize related lists and documents together. Now, under your chosen folder, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that plus icon to open the creation menu. From the menu that appears, select the doc option. This will instantly create a new ClickUp doc inside that folder. You can now start typing, formatting text, adding images, embedding files, and collaborating with your team in real time. ClickUp Docs supports rich formatting, nested pages, templates, and even task embeds, making it a full-featured document editor. And that's it. You've successfully created and started using ClickUp Docs. It's that simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.